In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule in ClickUp. We'll walk through the whole process from picking a task, adding dates, and then actually seeing it appear in your calendar view. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any task into something that's clearly scheduled on your timeline. First, start by opening ClickUp and heading over to your list view. This is the view where you can see your tasks in a simple list format, usually grouped by status or other fields. Make sure you're in the correct space, folder, or list where the task you want to schedule actually lives. Next, find and click on the specific task you want to add to your schedule. This opens the task details panel, usually on the right-hand side or in a new window, depending on your layout settings. Take a second here to confirm you've opened the right task, especially if you have similar task names. Inside the task, look for the field labeled Dates. This is where you control when the task starts and ends. Click on the Dates field to bring up the date picker. This is the main tool you'll use to put the task onto your schedule. Now, choose a start day for your task. Click on the day in the calendar when you want work on this task to begin. Think about when you realistically plan to start it, not just the deadline. Setting a clear start date helps with planning your workload across the week. After that, select an end day. This is the last day by which you want the task to be finished. If it's a one-day task, your start and end date can be the same. If it's a larger piece of work, pick a later end date to spread it out over multiple days. If you want, you can now click on the time estimate field and add an estimate. This is optional but very helpful. Type in how long you expect the task to take. For example, 2 hours or half a day. Estimates make it easier to understand how busy your schedule really is. When you're done setting dates and estimates, close the task and go back to your views. From the same list, look toward the top of the screen and switch from list view over to the calendar view by clicking on calendar. Once the calendar opens, you'll see your task displayed on the dates you selected. It's now officially scheduled and visible as part of your overall plan. From here, you can drag it to adjust dates if needed, or just leave it as is and repeat the same